Usually we start with the front of the house, but this backyard is so spectacular, so peaceful, we did not want to make you wait. I love when you walk into the home, you have a great expansive open floor plan, also with defined spaces. This home features a great footprint. Open floor plan, yet you have defined spaces. I really love this main living space. I love how the morning light comes in. You've got a great view of the backyard, and it's perfectly open into the kitchen and dining space. Your kitchen space is ideal. You'll never have to worry about having enough countertop space or cabinet space. The upstairs footprint is just right. It starts with a perfectly sized loft area for you to use just as you need. Your primary suite features great vaulted ceilings, a nice reading nook, and has a great view of your wooded backyard. We need to pause for a minute and give this California closet the moment it deserves. I love that I get to end my day just as it began. Enjoying the backyard through my screened-in porch with a drink in hand.